In this video, I'm going to show you how I create these amazing looking captions. I actually use a tool called Submagic to create these within just a few clicks. Okay, so first we need to get the file that we want to create the captions for. So let's say this is the file. Come up here, basic, scroll down, under canvas, go to color, and then choose a green color so then we can create a green screen. And I'll show you why in a minute. And come to mask, come to rectangle, reverse it, expand this so then it covers the whole screen, and then we're going to export the file. Okay, after we have the file, we'll go to Submagic, and once we're inside Submagic, just go to create and upload the file. You can pick the language that you want to create the captions for. There's a whole bunch of languages that you could select, and we're going to go with English. And just click upload, and then Submagic will do its magic and then create the captions in a couple minutes. Okay, so this is done, and then you can pick a theme, and the one that I use often is this one, and then we can come to edit. I like to adjust to be a little bit smaller, and I can play it for you just so you can see. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a sub account on Go High Level. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. I like to disable the auto emoji, and then I just like to change the color to blue, and you can obviously change the color to whatever color you want. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a sub account on Go High Level. So what happens is you can come to caption. If you need to correct a mistake, you can do that. So this is how you just adjust the text. And then just to show you the different style, if you want to change to a different style, you can easily do that just by clicking the different themes, and then it'll look different. If you like, the Mr. Beast type of style here with a simple click of a button. So using Submagic is super easy. This is what I use for the captions in the beginning. And when it's done, you can just click export. Okay, so when it's ready, just go to my project, and here is the caption. So what we can do is just download it. And then go back to CapCut, drag the file onto the timeline, go to cutout, chroma key, color picker, turn up the strength, and then I would lower the volume on that layer, and then just click play. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a sub account on Go High Level. And I like to position it onto the bottom a little bit more so it looks better. So that's how I create these cool looking captions with Submagic onto my videos.